We thank God for the beginning of our 40 days, Kwaresma, 40 araw na paghahanda. No? Very wonderful tradition. It is not a holiday of obligation, but it's nice to see many of us here, no? Marami. No? Natutuwa ako, binanggit ko kagabi, yung mga nagsisimba araw-araw, o ngayon, hindi naman araw ng obligasyon, no? Pero nandito tayo. We do this out of love. No? I'm sure it is out of love. Not out of obligation, not out of tradition, but it is out of love. Ang laking bagay na ginagawa natin ay isang bagay dahil sa pagmamahal. Napakalaking bagay. A world of a difference. If I go because of obligation, if I know because of tradition, and not because of love, this season is a very good invitation for us to purify our intentions of why we come to Mass. Why we do anything. No? Bakit ko ba ginagawa isang bagay? Mga nanay, for example, ang pagmamahal na binibigay sa mga anak. It is out of love, not out of obligation na kasi tungkulin ko, di ba? Bibigay ko sa iyo para meron akong matanggap rin pagtanda ko, ha? It is not that. I'm sure it's all out of love. All out of love. We do things out of love. It will make a world of a difference, a world of a difference. So this is a very wonderful invitation for us to purify whatever we do, sana because of love. For those who come here to volunteer, the lay ministers, the sacristans, our lectors, the choir, and all those mother butlers, the ushers who are here, and all those who serve voluntarily, no? Out of love. Out of love. No? We are here sitting, no? Iba yung may pagmamahal eh. Nakaupo ka dito very attentive out of love. Focus because of love. Yung ngiti natin, hindi ngiting aso, para lang, no? It is out of love. Everything we do out of love, it will make a world of a difference. Because the 3 disciplines of Lent na binasa natin, no? Narinig natin yung pagbibigay fasting. No? Today is the day of fasting. 1 meal for today. For those who are 18 and 59, no? Yung mga seniors exempt, but there are other ways of fasting, hindi ba? There are many ways. So, we are asked to fast twice a year, today and Good Friday, fasting. No? Abstinence and all the Fridays, including Good Fridays, no meat for those who are 14 and above, no? 14 years old and above. No, so we are reminded of this beautiful discipline of Lent, no? Fasting, the beauty of fasting. Pero kung walang pagmamahal, walang silbi. Parang nasasayang yung fasting. Baka ganito nangyayari, no? Pag hindi maganda yung purpose of why I fast, minsan may side effect eh. Minsan may side effect ang fasting. Pag kumukulo yun siya, minsan may mga tao, pag nagugutom, pag gutom, nagiging masungit. Ang sungit-sungit kasi gutom, di ba? Huwag na lang mag-fast kasi sumusungit, di ba? If it's not out of love. So we do things out of love. The importance of why we do things. It is out of love. All out of love. We give alms, no? May aray, but out of love, wala namang kapalit eh. It is all out of love. Nagbibigay ayuno, nagbibigay ng limos. Very, very beautiful, out of love. Wala na yung, kaminsan nagbibigay tayo sa isang pulube, no, may kasamang aral, no, si pinapagalitan at kung si pinagsasabihan pa, but it is all an act of love. No? Magbigay ng tubig sa isa nagugustuhan, na isa na uhaw, out of love is a world of a difference. And prayer, no, we do prayer, we invite you, especially these 40 days, to increase our prayer time. But most importantly, also to be able to go to confession. Can we try our best to go to confession in these 40 days? Can we try our very best? No? Kasi it is a time magbalik loob talaga. A time for balik loob. When we have our ashes on our forehead, there are 2 formulas. No? The first formula is repent and believe in the gospel. Magbalik loob at maniwala sa mabuting balita is one formula. The second formula is remember you are ash, and to ash you shall return. Ikaw ay alabok at sa alabok rin babalik. So wala talaga tayong pwedeng ipagmalaki. No? We are all but ashes. We are all but soil, putik. No? Wala tayong pinagmamalaki. No? So, yung hypocrisy, pagkukunwari, no? This is set aside because truly we are reminded who we are. We are nothing. We are just abo. No? That is why the mother of all virtues, humility, humus, ibig sabihin lupa. Lupa. Wala naman tayong pwedeng pagmalaki talaga no? Sapagkat tayo ay alabok lamang. No? Kaya yung alikabok na nandiyan sa ating mga upuan, no? Yung alikabok sa atin na pinapadala tayo, na we are nothing. We are really nothing. No? Yung alabok ng ating mga abo, ng ating mga ninuno na nandiyan dito, di ba? Hindi natin alam. Mga abo ng mga alikabok, ng dumi, no? Alikabok ng anuman, no? Pantay-pantay lang naman tayo sa mga hayop, sa mga putik, no? Pare-pareho lang tayo. We are but just ash. All of us. Kaya wag tayo magmalaki. Let us be humble. And the season of ash, of Lent is truly a reminder of all this. Lahat ay hiram sa Diyos. Wala tayong pwedeng pagmalaki. Kaya sana, itong tandaan na to, hindi lang panglabas, pumasok sa loob, no? Sa kaloob-looban ng ating puso. At ito ay tunay na magpabanal para sa atin itong hamon na ito. Let us make the most out of these 40 days, this grace-filled season of Lent. Magbalik loob sa Panginoon at tunay na ihanda ang muling pagkabuhay ng ating Panginoong Hesukristo.